Running Python with Excel can be incredibly useful for data analysis, automation, and enhancing your spreadsheets with more complex calculations and data manipulations. There are several ways to integrate Python with Excel, but two of the most popular methods are using the pandas library to read and write Excel files and using the openpyxl library for more advanced Excel operations. Additionally, tools like xlwings allow you to call Python functions directly from Excel. Here's a comprehensive tutorial on how to use Python to interact with Excel using pandas and openpyxl. Prerequisites. 1. Python installed. Make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can download it from Python.org apps. Python.org downloads. Install required libraries. You can install the required libraries using pip. Open your command prompt or terminal and run bash pip install pandas openpyxl. If you want to use xlwings, you can install it as well. Bash pip install xlwings using pandas to read and write Excel files. 1. Reading Excel files. You can easily read Excel files using the pandas library. Here's an example. Python import pandas as apt read an Excel file. Read Excel sample xlwings. Sheet name sheet tone display the data frame printed. 2. Writing to Excel files. You can also write data back to an Excel file. Python create a sample data frame. Data name Elise, Bob, Charlie, age 24, 30, 22, city New York, Los Angeles, Chicago. City cho cho to do deo to davu to pio 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 to 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 ao you view ao view I feel horrible, horrible, horrible. Data frame data. Write the data frame to an Excel file. To Excel output clo. Index false. Sheet name sheet tone using openpyxl for more advanced operations. Openpyxl allows you to work with Excel files in a more granular way than pandas. You can modify existing files, create new ones, and work with Excel features like charts and formatting. Modifying existing Excel files. Here's an example of how to open an existing Excel file and modify it. Python from openpyxl. Import load workbook. Load an existing workbook load workbook sample xlwings. Select a specific sheet workbook sheet tone. Modify a cell sheet on updated value. Save the workbook save sample updated cl. 4. Creating a new Excel file. You can create a new Excel file and add data to it. Python from openpyxl. Import workbook. Create a new workbook. Select the active worksheet sheet workbook active. Add data sheet on name sheet bone age sheet con city data 24 New York, Bob 30 Los Angeles, Charles bio 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 biological to bio value, biolution, biolution, python view, biolution GVC, bio 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 Kong shu ku shu ku shu ku go ku ko ku shu ku shu ku shu 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 view shu view 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 ko you view ko you view 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 bo view 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 shu ko view bo view shu bo view bo ko view shu bo ku bo ku ko ku bo Feel you view po feel you feel you boo you go feel you boo boo you boo feel you boo you do Here's how to set it up. 5. Setting up xlwings. 1. Open Excel and create a new workbook. In Excel, go to xlwings in the ribbon and click on Import Functions. Writing a Python function create a Python file e.g. my functions with the following code Python import xlwings as a quex func def add ab return ab 7. Calling the function from Excel. 1. In Excel, you can now call the function add 1, 2 in a cell, and it will return 3. Make sure to save your Excel file as a macro-enabled workbook. Pulse. Summary. In this tutorial, we covered how to read from and write to Excel files using pandas and openpyxl, as well as how to integrate Python functions into Excel with xlwings. These tools provide powerful capabilities for automating tasks and performing complex data analysis directly from Excel. Feel free to explore further and combining these techniques to enhance your productivity.